Hi everyone. Welcome back to Creative Digital Canvas. Today, I'll share 3 simple but powerful Instagram marketing tips that every beginner should know. If you're just starting out, this video is for you. Let's go. Tip 1. Optimize your bio. Your Instagram bio is like your digital business card. Make sure it tells people who you are and what you offer in just a few words. Use keywords, add a call to action, and don't forget a link, maybe to your website or a service. Example, graphic designer, Photoshop tutorials, DM for work. Tip 2. Use hashtags smartly. Don't just use random hashtags. Mix popular, niche, and branded hashtags to increase reach. Use around 15 to 20 per post and change them often. Example combo. Hashtag Instagram marketing, hashtag design tips, Canvas, hashtag Photoshop beginner. Tip 3. Post consistently plus use reels. Consistency is key. Try to post at least 3 times a week. And don't ignore reels. Instagram pushes short videos more than regular posts now. Pro tip. Use your Photoshop skills to create engaging carousel posts and eye-catching thumbnails for reels. If you found these tips helpful, hit the like button and subscribe for more content on digital marketing and design. Got questions? Drop them in the comments. I'd love to help.